Now students, see exercise 2.8, third question we will see, divide and verify the solution. So the question given is 648 divided by 9. That means you have to divide this number by 9. So I have written down how to write this division process. We will do here. So you have to write like this. We will write the answer here and we will do the division this side. So before that we have to do verification also, na? So I wrote already, dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder, right? So what is dividend? 648 equal to quotient is, अभी हमें नहीं पता है quotient, right? We have to complete the division, then only we will get the quotient, into multiplied by 9. 9 is our divisor. These two are given in dividend and divisor are given in the quotient itself, and quotient and remainder you will get after doing division, after completing division. So now we will start from 6. I told you, no, we have to start from left side place. So this is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds, and we will start from hundreds place. So in hundreds place we have a number less than the divisor. That means you cannot subtract 9 from 6, no? 6 कहीं भी हमें टेबल में नहीं आता है, 9 का टेबल में. So in that case we have to put 0 here and you will put 0 here also. 9 zeros are 0, right? So we will do subtraction here. 9 zeros are 0. Why we are putting 0 here is, this 6, no? 6 will not come anywhere in the 9th table. So we will put 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. Now hundreds place is over. So this tens place will come down. 4 it will come down. We'll put 4 here. And how much we got? 64. Our number is 64 now. Now start the 9th table. We will write here otherwise. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, right? So we will write complete table otherwise. 81, tens are 90. So see बच्चे, we have the number 64 and which number we can subtract from this 64? From 9th table you have to see. वैसे तो हम ये सारे कर सकते हैं, 9 को भी subtract कर सकते हैं, 18 भी. All the smaller numbers than 64 are subtracted, can be subtracted from 64. But we have to subtract the biggest number. 9 से लेके 63 तक सारे नंबर्स छोटे ही है 64 से, है ना? लेकिन हम इनमें से सबसे बड़ा वाला नंबर को लेना है. विच इज़ बिगेस्ट वन? 63, राइट? वेयर वी आर गेटिंग 63? 9 sevens are 63. So 9 we have here already and we will put 7. 9 sevens are 63, right? So now do subtraction. 4 minus 3 is 1 and then 6 minus 6 is 0. So tens place is also over. Now ones place will come down. Now we will get, what is the number? 18. So where we will get 18 in 9th table? At 9 twos are 18. So this 2 we will write as quotient and 18 we will write in the answer. So 18 minus 8 minus 8 is 0. 1 minus 1 is also 0. So see, our places are over. We have no more places here, and we have our remainder 0. When all the places came down like this, that means our division is over. So this is called रिमाइंडर. रिमाइंडर मीन्स जो बच गया, डिवीज़न के बाद जो बच जाता है उसको रिमाइंडर कहते हैं. एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड quotient. And you know this is dividend and this is divisor. Now we will do the verification part. Verification part में quotient we have to write here. No, what is the quotient? 72. 072 मतलब बच्चे 72. We don't need to consider this 0. ओके, लेफ्ट साइड में जो 0 आता है उसको कंसिडर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है हमें. 72 multiplied by 9 plus remainder. Remainder is we got 0. Now do this multiplication. 72 multiplied by 9. 9 2s are 18. 1 is gone as carry and 8 is in the answer. 9 7s are 63 plus 1, that is 64. See, here we have 648 equal to how much you got? 648 plus 0. This 0 will come as it is. And 648 plus 0 is 648 only. So, left side is 648 and right side also 648. That means these two are equal. है ना? So when you got these equal numbers on both the sides of equal to, that means your answer is correct. So now how to write the answer? Answer 72 divide, oh sorry बच्चे, sorry, 648 divided by 9 is equal to 72. And you can write here quotient. Quotient means 72 है ना, is verified है ना, वेरीफाई किया हमने and we got the equal numbers. That means our answer 72 is correct answer. अगर आपको नहीं आया सेम numbers, that means ये गलत है. So you have to be very careful about doing this division.